Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your console firmware and Baldur's Gate 3 version so mods won't conflict. Once done, backup saves to cloud or an external drive. This protects progress if something breaks. Next, enable any permitted developer or mod access on the console, because mod installation requires those permissions. Make sure to note warranty or policy implications. Understanding why you enable access prevents unexpected account or hardware issues later. You now transfer and install mods using the console-approved method, USB, companion app, or official storefront, so files land where the game expects them. Once installed, configure load order with the console's mod manager or a recommended tool. This prevents conflicts and ensures compatibility patches run first. Then adjust in-game settings for mod features, graphics, and save compatibility so performance stays stable. Keep an eye on file sizes and memory usage. They explain why some mods need lower settings. You finish by testing with a short play session to verify stability, and that saves load correctly. This step detects problems early. If something goes wrong, disable the most recent mods, clear the console cache, and restore your backup save. These actions usually resolve corrupt load order or asset conflicts. Make sure to document installed mod names and versions so you can reproduce or rollback setups later. One tip: keep only essential mods active to reduce conflict surface and simplify troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.